so shy with any kind of conflict that all we can do is go in reverse and hide and delete and block and let it come out of us sideways later. I'm hearing news for you, son. I got 99 problems, but bitching ain't one. And I'm not going to bitch at my situation. I'm going to fix my situation. I'm going to fix the topic. I'm going to figure it out. Both of these are shirts that I have. Fix the topic. Figure it out. Figure it out inside your life. Go into it and say, why is this my mission? Or what is my purpose, And if this is my purpose, then it's building me towards it. I always said I wanted to be a business owner. Well, that also includes failure. That also includes weather. That also includes projects. And each one of them goes into a resume. You talk about like a portfolio. I had a portfolio of problems, you know what I mean? Challenges that have made me chapters that I wrote and then wrote into my history. And some of them I wish I could go back and rewrite some chapters and not say that or not make that mistake. But just like I was listening to your boy, Mr. Beast, that means that my life wouldn't have been really lived, right? You know what I mean? I would have missed some things. And this is what these things are, in our lives. I'll keep this thing. In our lives, we have to go on adventures because then that brings out the best in us. It's like competition, Magic Johnson has to go work out in the summers because Larry Bird is working out, and you need to work out your issues. You got to work on them because they will try to destroy you, and they're really there to build you. And it's like, how do you accept these things? These twists and turns, this roller coaster? Are you in pure excitement or are you in pure anxiety? And that's our job, is to turn our anxiety into excitement, accept the mission before it self-destructs, like Mission Impossible. This mission will self-destruct in 5 seconds, You got to get that 5-second rule out of you and say, in 5 seconds, I'm 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and launching myself, right? That's one of them. And then the other one is the I don't know what this guy's doing. He's doing something with the trash and shit. Oh, yeah, let me get out of there. I can hear it.